In this video we are going to be analysing FNGR. So to get straight into it, obviously the resistance is going to be more of a notable level because we are up. On Friday we closed up over 82%, but also this stock the last few days has been in a strong momentum. We went from 62 cents all the way to around 340 as we are right now. So what are going to be key resistance levels if we continue up? So we can see in where we started to pull back, basically Friday's high was at $3.60. We can see this is our third deviation on the 6 month, and that's what we're really starting to see on this stock. It has been in strong momentum, but we are now coming up to technical levels where we are very overbought. So more than likely we could start seeing the stock pull back unless there is some sort of news and a fundamental reason that it should start increasing or decreasing in price. But really on a technical side, this would be where we definitely expect the stock to start pulling back. If we did break out of here though, we would have next levels at around 410 and 470, and the final level would be around 620. Now this 620 would be key, so if we start pushing up to this level, again quite unlikely probably from where we are now, but if we do, this is really where we would be starting to become very bearish on this stock, because if it comes to this level, yes, it may temporarily pop through, but unless there is really a big change to their fundamentals which will make the stock the company make a lot more money in the future, because obviously stocks are forward looking, really we would expect, even if it does to break through here, a very quick fall back below 625 at a minimum. But if we did continue, 830 would be that another level where we could look to potentially get a good short play on it. Now on the other hand, if we start selling off, what are going to be key supports, and as of right now 250 is really going to be a key support because it's our closest one now, can definitely provide a potential bounce area if you're just looking for a quick scalp. But if we do continue down, which again in time is more than likely, we'd be looking at $2 and 150 as those key support levels. Really, if we fall back below the 150, it's not something I would be paying too much attention to from there. But in time, again, if there's no really fundamental change on why their earnings will be going up in the future, then we could definitely go back to that 52-week low at around 60 cents. Anyway, that is the breakdown on FNGR. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out one of these two analysis videos.